Hey guys, welcome back to Maths with Milan. Let's have a look at this question. So this question is from homogeneous differential equation, which is out of the three types. This is one of them. Now, when you see this question, you see that you have variable terms with degree 2. For example, x has a degree of 1, y has a degree of 1. When you add it, you get 2. Similarly, this is another variable term. This also has degree 2. And same with this. So when the degree of the differential equation is same, it doesn't have to be the same variable. It can be written together as a product. Then also it's counted as a variable terms degree. So if it's same, you have to ensure or validate that it is homogeneous equation. You can confirm that. Once you confirm that it is homogeneous differential equation, what do we do? Simply, first step is represent this equation in the form of dy by dx is equals to f of y by x. So let's see, what do we mean? So dy by dx, if you want to keep it on one side, you keep dy by dx here, and then you transfer x square plus 3y square divided by 2xy. Then what do? We have to, if you need f of y by x, it means wherever you see these variable terms, instead of these, we need to see y by x. So imagine this as u. This is the variable you should see in your equation. How do we get that? Divide numerator and denominator by x square. When you do that, dy by dx equals. Now divide x square by x square. We get 1 plus 3y square by x square. We get 3y square divided by x square whole divided by 2xy divided by x square. X, 1x cancels. Now, if you see, we have gotten dy by dx equals 1 plus 3. Now I'm going to write y by x the whole square divided by 2y by x. So what do you see now? The variable terms are now replaced with y by x. It can have a degree, doesn't matter. But whatever variable terms you have in your differential equation, they should be of the form of y by x. This completes our step 1. Step 2, what do? Simply substitute y is equals to vx, and the differential equation should change from y and x to x and v variables. Let's see how do we do this. So let me open a new page. You're gonna write y is equals to vx, or in short, y by x is v. So first value we'll find is we will differentiate this equation because we need dy by dx. So differentiating both sides. I don't have to write it. I'm just going to differentiate with respect to x. So left hand side we get dy by dx. Right hand side we get. Now this is product form. Okay. So keep the first, differentiate the second. So when I differentiate x, I will get 1. Plus keep the second. And I'm going to keep this function and differentiate the first. So v will become dv by dx. So this is the value of dv by dx, which we need to substitute here. Let's substitute this. Now we have v plus x dv by dx equals 1 plus. Look at this. This is y by x. Y by x has been taken as v now. So we are going to replace 1 plus 3 v square divided by 2 v. Okay, this is your step 2, but it's not done yet. Or you can say it's done. So fine, let's do. So Vx dv dx, do you see any y? There's no y. So when there's no y, you can confirm step 2 is complete. Step 3, transfer the variables on separate sides. Meaning, once you do this, it can be solved as a variable separable form because it has become now. For that to happen, first transfer this v on the right hand side. So x dv by dx equals 1 plus 3v square upon 2v minus v. Take the LCM on the right hand side. We get 2v. 1 plus 3v square minus 2v square. These are all basics. I assume you guys know it. If you guys don't know, please follow my channel and comment on what concepts do you need to know so that I can prepare relevant videos on it? So 1 plus 3v square. So this is like terms. 3v square minus 2v square will become x dv by dx equals 1 plus v square upon 2v. Now, dv is this side. So of course, v has to be cross multiplied to the left and right, and the x and dx will go here. So now what will we get? We will get 1. So now we get 2v upon 1 plus v square dv is equals to 1 by x dx. What I have done, transfer 2v to the numerator and this down. dv remains at the same place. dx goes here and x goes down. So this is a cross multiplication. Now if you see, it is variable separable form. You have f of v equals to f of x. That's it. Now what do? Integrating both the sides, we get. So this one, if you see, it's pretty straightforward. Take this to be t. When you take this to be t, let me show you. Let 1 plus v square is equals to t. So what do you get? 2v dv is equals to dt. So we have got our 2v dv as dt. So we are going to change this into integral of dt upon 1 plus v square is t. I'm going fast over here, assuming you guys know by substitution. If you have not, go check out my video on by substitution method. Okay, so this is done on the left hand side. Right hand side is a direct formula. This is x. Right hand side is a direct formula. 1 by x dx ka integral is ln mod x. And I'm going to use ln mod c. I'll tell you why, okay, in a bit. Now integrate this, we'll get ln t, right? So ln t equals ln. Now x ln a plus ln b is actually log ab. Okay, it's a log formula. So I'm going to write x times c. Now why did I take log? In the beginning, we know is the question is solve the differential equation given. Whenever they write given, they want you to find the particular solution, right? This is a general solution right now. So if you need the value of c and you have integrated it and you know that the left hand side expression will be log, right hand side is also log, then take the constant as log c. Okay, don't take it as c, else you will have to work a little bit more to get this value. If it is in log terms, you can simply apply the formula. So this implies t is equals to x times c. What is t? T is nothing but 1 plus v square. So 1 plus v square equals to x times c. And what is v? We need the equation back in y and x because that's how the question started. So the value of v is y by x. Let's substitute that. I don't know why the page is not opening. Anyways, I will duplicate this. Okay. Yeah. So now you're going to substitute 1 plus y square upon x square is equals to xc. You can straight away write the value. Now see, we need to find the value of constant of integration using this condition. So the y ka value is 0 when x is 1. So we will write 1 plus y ka value is 0 when x is 1. So we will get c is equals to 1. Right, we have got the value. After we have got the value, we will go here and put it in this equation. So you can put it over here. We have put in the equation. So we have got this. Now take this value and put it back here. We get hence particular solution is 1 plus y square upon x square equals x times 1, right? Or we will get y square by x square is equals to x minus 1, or y square is equals to x cube times x square, or the general solution is under root x cube minus x square. This is our answer or the particular solution. Okay, hope this session helped. So I'm going to cover in each video one topic, and the topics will require you to have some basic knowledge. If you don't, please go ahead, comment below and let me know if you need to understand any concept. You can comment and I will make a video on it.